Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Since the last video, this is my first video. I'm gonna share what I have discovered regarding the vibe coding and the things that I have done so far. This is the presentation that I prepared for you. Okay, let's just see what I prepared. Okay, the thing is vibe coding. This is so new, at least for me. But for some people, it's not that new. It has been a few years for them. Okay, this is you write a prompt, and then that prompt does the rest. You don't have to worry about design or coding. You don't code. That's the beauty of it. At the same time, there are some cons about it too. Okay, let's just move to the next slide. As you can see, it is a new approach to coding. Okay, this helps people, especially developers, code better, and it is extremely beautiful, and the level of excellency when it comes to debugging is enormous and unprecedented. And when you look at the experiences, oh my god, I mean, you should check some Reddit pages. You're gonna see that some people they cannot stop talking about it, and there are some kind of teenagers or early 20s, let me say. They are building apps, and those apps, they generate a lot of money, and this is a great opportunity for them, because there was a guy on the YouTube, and he said that
this is the biggest financial opportunity for somebody under the age of 25 ever. Bigger than the internet in 94. What I mean by that, if you're a 17-year-old smart kid, you can literally call every local business and be like, hey, I'll build your new website. Your website's old. They're like, how much? You're like, $500. They're like, wait, my last quote was 4,000. You're like, yeah, 500. You know why? You can build it in a fucking minute with AI. We are now in an era where you don't need to follow my content to come up with the ideas. You just ask AI to help you get good at AI. Do you know how many kids are about?
This age is going to bring a lot of new billionaires among Gen Z. I mean, now I believe that it is possible. The reason why is this AI is something else. And there's a former Google worker, his name is Mo, and he's saying that what is coming towards us is something that we didn't imagine, and we don't know what's going to happen and what is going to change. Okay, let me continue. Let me move myself to the right, at least to my right. Okay, the benefits of using AI when it comes to coding, oh my god, like I said, it is undescribable. But I will mention a few. The list goes on, but we're gonna say a few reasons. It increased efficiency in coding and in debugging. This is beautiful. And when it comes to user experience, it increased a lot. And also, last but not least, cost effectiveness is, I mean, in the past, actually, it is still, for some people who don't know how to code, how to benefit from these AI tools, they may hire some developers, designers, some people. But if you know how to use these tools, you don't have to hire anyone at all. So this age is, oh my god, this is something else. Okay, let's just continue. Let me move myself to the left. Now I'm gonna Yeah, I mean, I mentioned already these things that you see now. Okay, yeah, this system works with credits. You may spend right away if you don't know how to use. For example, there are some apps. Let me show you one of them. This yeah, these are my projects. This, I mean, while working on this app, you need to check the chat box so that you can save your credits. Otherwise, they're gonna spend your money right away. And these are like, oh my god, how can I say, it's like a whale. No, not like that. Money consuming gadgets, let me say that, or tools sometimes, if you don't know how to use your credits. Okay, then let's just skip. Okay, and first, let's just know what we need. We need to assess our needs first. This is first task. And then we need to prioritize our tasks. And then we need to find the right tool. Right now, I'm searching. I swear to God, I'm gonna share every step with you. I checked and I tried Lovable. I checked, as you can see, I tested Super App. I have Cursor, Reddit, and Cloud, everything. Oh my God, I thought it would be easier, but if you don't know what to use, then it is not as easy as it seems. And sometimes, I swear to God, it is time consuming. Oh my God, you spend hours, hours, and hours, and at the end, you get nowhere. I mean, yeah, I'm just sharing my experiences so that you don't waste your time. That's my purpose. Let's just build a community where we can share our thoughts and experiences so that we can make the process easier for everyone. And like I said, if you don't know what to choose as a tool, you're going to waste your money a lot. And that is going to affect your credit usage. And one app may cost 100, maybe more dollars. And this is something that no one wants. Okay, we mentioned all these things. Okay, let me skip. Yeah, I mean, this is very, very, very new. So vibe coding, maybe 3 or 4 years old. Not older than that, but it is taking over. And with this speed, oh my God, I don't know what's gonna happen. And then in China right now, they're putting cameras on top of the workers' heads, and they're copying what they are doing on a daily basis. And once they completed this process, they are not gonna need human beings anymore, because once you know the pattern, you can install that pattern to a computer, or you can call it a robot, and then that robot can do everything that human being can do. So this is coming, and this is not a movie. And also in China, there is a hospital where you don't see any human doctors. Robots are functioning. They are the ones who are in charge. So this is scary, but it is true. It is reality. Okay, we talked about it. It is not that old. Okay. What I am saying is, okay, this is a change when it comes to traditional app development. But at the same time, this change is going to affect us a lot. And it's going to bring a lot of easiness, time-saving actions for us. I mean, for example, if an agent is doing what you are supposed to do, then there's more time for you to spend with your family or with your loved ones. And I mean, this may be scary too. Some people may not like it because they love their jobs and they want to do what the job requires from him. So, but whether we like or not, this is going to happen. I mean, this is not my wishful thinking, but that is kind of a threat too at the same time, with a lot of ease that it is bringing to the market. Okay, this vibe coding, to sum up, I have to say that it is going to make things easier, but at the same time, some jobs are going to disappear. So people who are aware of this fact, they are going to be pioneers, and they are going to be the ones who are going to shape the future. So for now, these are the things that I'm going to share with you. And if you have a question, please write it down so that I can answer those questions for you. Right now, I'm testing Lovable and, like I said, other tools such as Reddit, I think it was Reddit, and Cursor, and Super App, Google Anti-Gravity, Codex, everything. I'm taking my notes. I'm gonna share everything that I faced, and yeah, like I said, if you have questions, write it down so that we can create a community where we can discuss the problems that we face, so that we can fix them all for our own benefit. Thank you. Stay in touch. Bye.